Holy heck, what an amazing day so far. Definitely feel blessed to be up here. This sky is like clear blue. There's only a couple clouds in the sky right now. It's definitely later in the season than I initially wanted my first day of the season to be, but at least it's better than last year, at least for this resort. Last year, my first day was in the middle of February, they told me, and I paid regular price, which was like, I think it was like $900 for a regular price lift ticket, which is absolutely ridiculous, but I got my money's worth. Well, I made sure that I got my money's worth. I legit tried to go every single day that I had it. Now, this year, I was smart and I bought the lift ticket ahead of time, and I think it was like $400, and I am still gonna get my money's worth out of this one. And hopefully I'll put more days in this season than I did last season to make up for last season's ridiculous price for a pass. Now it's lunchtime. I'm going to go ahead, get rehydrated, get some food in me, and then head back up on the mountain. So we had a good last run. Well, we had a good run. So instead of calling last run, I just ended it right there, because you never want to say last run, because that's generally when bad things happen. So yeah, all in all, good day today. Now, in regard to today, I didn't really get too crazy because this was, like I said, this was the first day back on the mountain. So I wanted to kind of just get my snowboard legs back. And I just kept the jumps just straight airs, and then with the boxes and that rail, as you saw, I just kept the board forward. I didn't want to do anything too crazy because I don't want to end my season on the first day back. So I'm just trying to be a little cautious now that I'm getting older. Yeah, all in all, amazing day. See you back down at the bottom. Peace.